Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the cyber threat intelligence model evaluation of taxonomies, sharing standards and ontologies with the cyber threat intelligence. The authors of this paper are Vasilios and Siri Brumanda, and our team name is Cyberbloom, and we are of three: Amaresh, Saiteja, and Tejashree. Coming down to the introduction, information about cyber threats and threat actors is gathered, analyzed, and disseminated through CTI in order to support decision making and strengthen the cyber security posture. As we know, the cyber threats have become a growing concern for organization and government worldwide, with increasing sophistication and frequency of cyber attacks. So, to effectively detect, prevent, and respond to these threats, cyber threat intelligence plays a crucial role. So, in this, we are going to discuss the different approaches and methodologies used in their development, as well as the strength and limitation. Uh, so, to facilitate the exchange of cyber threat intelligence, various taxonomies, sharing standards, and ontologies have been developed. So these we are going to discuss as well. And further, in this paper, the authors conducted a comprehensive evaluation of existing CTI models, including taxonomies and ontologies. We discuss the different approaches and methodologies used in their development, as well as the strength and limitations. Coming down to the problem addressed in this paper, like there are different problems which are addressed in this paper. Uh, Actually, this is the challenge. It is somewhat challenging, and the leveraging cyber threat intelligence in the realm of cybersecurity. This includes issues such as lack of standardized frameworks for organizing and classifying and sharing the cyber threat intelligence, which can hinder its effective use in threat detection, response, and mitigation efforts. Apart from this, this paper aims to evaluate the existing framework and identify the strength, weakness, and limitations to address the problem of CTI management and information sharing in cybersecurity domain. Coming down to the methodology which are discussed in this paper, the first one is the detection maturity level model. So here in this model was originally used to describe the maturity of an organization in the terms of their ability to consume and act upon the threat information. And apart from this, the intelligence reports and many other, in 2016, we extended this model by adding an additional 9 level. Here we can see in the image there are some 9 levels from DML0 to DML9. However, rich threat intelligence can aid the detecting and preventing capabilities of teams of low maturity by absorbing advanced threat intelligence shared from teams with higher detection capability. So from the next methodology, my friend Teja is going to take over.
Uh, Hi, I'm going to explain about methodology 2 in this paper. Uh, so the purpose of this paper is of evaluating and classifying taxonomies, sharing standards and ontologies relevant to threat intelligence. We identified the need to develop a new model that can suitably categorize intelligence. The cyber intelligence model is not hierarchical like the DML model, but mainly a way to represent what types of informations are needed for advanced threat intelligence and potential attack attribution. So, acquisition of cybersecurity intelligence model in the security options of an organization strengthens the security posture of the organization itself by enabling advanced detective and preventive capabilities. If we see the figure two, we can see the courses of actions which can be done through the attack patterns malware infrastructure to targets how vulnerabilities can be done. uh, and next I'm going to explain about key aspects. So the specifically focuses on the three key aspects of cyber threat intelligence: taxonomies, sharing standards, and ontologies. Taxonomies refer to the categorization and classification of cyber threats and related information. For example, a taxonomy may categorize threats as malware, ransomware, phishing, DDoS, etc. So, while sharing standards refer to protocols and formats used for sharing cyber threat intelligence among different stakeholders. For example, the structured threat information expression and the trusted automated exchange of indicator information are widely used sharing standards in the cybersecurity community. So, anthologies, on the other hand, are formal representations of the knowledge domain, providing a shared understanding of the concepts, relationships, and semantics within the cyber threat intelligence. For example, an ontology may represent the relationships between threat actors, their motives, capabilities, and targets. These examples highlight key concepts in cyber threat intelligence, including taxonomies, sharing standards, ontologies, information sharing, timelines, and accuracy. So, by leveraging these concepts, organizations can improve their ability to detect, respond to, and mitigate cyber threats effectively. And next, I'm going to explain about significance of the paper. Uh,
Yeah, significance of the paper. Coming to the significance of paper, the paper cyber threat intelligence model and evaluation of taxonomy, sharing standards, and ontologies with cyber threat intelligence holds significant and significance in the field of cybersecurity. The paper's findings shed light on the strengths and weaknesses of existing models, offering valuable insights for improving threat intelligence practices. Furthermore, the paper underscores the importance of collaboration and information sharing in addressing cyber threats effectively. By focusing on the importance of standardization, interpolation, accuracy, and correlation in threat intelligence, the paper advanced the discipline. In next slide, Amrish. Yeah. Coming to the conclusion and thoughts. In conclusion, the evaluation of taxonomies, sharing standards, and ontologies within the field of cyber threat intelligence (CTI) reveals a need for greater standardization, interpolation, and comprehensiveness. These effects can enhance the organization analysis and decision-making capabilities in CTI, leading to better cyber threat detection and response. And coming to the thoughts of these conclusions are like cyber threat intelligence model and evaluation of taxonomy, sharing standards and ontologies within cyber threat intelligence. However, based on the title, it appears to be a research paper that evaluates the effectiveness of taxonomies and ontologies in the context of cyber threat intelligence. Such research is crucial in advancing the field of cybersecurity and improving the ways in which threat intelligence is collected, analyzed, and shared. By accessing existing models and standards, the paper likely produce valuable insights that can inform the development of more robust and efficient cyber threat intelligence approaches. Can you go to next slide? Yeah, thank you.